Sasa, who is this? A cow or a dog or a sheep? Who is this? It's white. White? Yes. Who is a white? Tigers are white? No. Who's that?
I think it's Daddy. Daddy's here.
Yes, it's Daddy.
Yes, it's Daddy.
Sasa. Sasa. Come. Who is this? Who is this? Gok. Who is this? No. Okay. Who is this? Who is this? Who is this? Who is this? Yeah. Who is this? Good. Who is this? Lady. Who is this? Who is this? Animals. And who is this? Who is this?
Very
That was
good.
amazing.
Amazing, guys.
Last time it was so cute when you were explaining to
done.
Sasha what a zebra is like. Can you explain to Sasha what zebra is like again? That was very cute when you did that. The zebras are white. All right, Sasha, you pick another book and Samuel can read it to you. That one you want?
That's a good
Okay,
one.
that's a good one. Sam knows that book very well. Right, Sam Sokol, you know how to read that one so well.
What is this? Who is this? Rabbit. No. This is a rabbit. And who's this? This is a rabbit. This is a rabbit. And this is a rabbit. Yes. And who is this? Not a rabbit. Is it a mouse? What is this? What is this? A window? No. That's a window. That's window, and this is a door. Who is this? On the ground. Walking. What? Snake. It looks like a turtle, but what is it? It's not a turtle, it's a snake. No. Snake, go here. Okay, well, this looks like a snake, but what is this? That's a snake. This is a birdie, worm, snail. What is this? Snail? Yeah. What is this? Birdie? Yeah. What is this? It's a snake. Yeah, it's eating a worm. This one is eating nothing. Yeah? What happens on the next page? Now, what is this? Mouse and mouse. Walk? Yeah? I'll show you. In this book, there's a frog. See? It's the same. Here. This is the frog. A frog matches this frog. You see? Frog. Yeah? That's a can hold this book. Yeah. That's a book. Let's hold this book. And it matches because look. And then what happens? Down paddle and lace. Pull in and then push in. Yeah? And then they build a really big train track. And then they build the town. And then they had a drink. And then they board. And then there was a paddle. Ooh. Did it? Yeah. Yeah. No. Did he did it? Yeah. Yeah. And he worked it up. Yeah. 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 And the baby bunch. And then he keeps sleeping. Yeah. And then he draws pictures. Yeah. And then he go in the bath. And then he bubble. And
You guys are cute. That was
Wonderful.
amazing.